This First Choice Realtors property video is presented by Mary Fran Cowallo. Wellsburg If you are looking for country living, acreage, privacy, and scenic view of the rolling hills of WV, well, this one is yours. This all-brick 4-bedroom home is situated on 4 acres of beautiful land, 2.5 baths, living room, dining room, beautiful updated kitchen with quartz countertops. The lower level of home consists of a small eat-in kitchen, laundry room, bedroom and family room with a wood burner. There is a large amount of storage also. Enjoy the fenced-in ground-heated swimming pool while entertaining family and large crowds on the concrete decking and a large wrap-around deck. This home features a 30 by 60 steel garage. It is only 5 years old. This is waiting for you.